Hey, I found the fairy recipe for chicken thighs again. Your fresh and very burnt chicken thighs. Balance greasy, appetizer and delicious. Boiled boneless, chicken thighs cut into pieces, oyster sauce with light soy sauce, black pepper water starch. Grab the rice wine well. Yellow wine and wine go well together, except for deodorization. Its sugar also has a refreshing effect. Marinate for 15分钟 use. Waiting for time. Continue to prepare. Thick slices of lemon. Remember to remove the seeds and peel. Thick slices of garlic too. Slice onion. Purple or white are okay. Millet pepper is entirely up to you. Wash and cut the cilantro into small sections. Preparation complete. Chicken skin is rich in oil. A little base oil in a hot pan is enough. Fry over high heat until colored and then turn over. The chicken nuggets can be fully cooked in 7分钟 use. And then take it out and put it aside for later use. If you don't wash the pan, add a little base oil. Sprinkle with millet peppers, onion and garlic slices. The onions become transparent. Place a lemon fire for 10 seconds. It will become too acidic over time. Just go back to the pot and stir fry for the aroma of lemon. Add the cilantro segment after 15 seconds. Mix well and you can put it on a plate. Appetizer lemon fruity aroma. The spiciness of black pepper, the burnt chicken thighs are absolutely delicious when combined. Finally, there will be hands.